Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to create and add a group to your community in WhatsApp web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to your community. Step 3. Click on the three dots. Step 4. Select Announcements Info. Step 5. Navigate to the Community tab. Step 6. Click on Manage Groups. Step 7. Choose Create New Group. Step 8. Add a group name and photo. Step 9. You can also add participants to the group. Step 10. Once you're done, click on the checkmark icon. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and add a group to your WhatsApp community, enabling seamless communication and collaboration among community members. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and help them enhance their WhatsApp community by creating and adding groups. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.